If you want to turn on photo tagging in X.com, also known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find the setting in just a few taps. This is useful if you want other people to be able to tag you in photos, manage your visibility, or simply make sure your account settings are set the way you want. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com and log into your account. On the left navigation bar, click More. This will open up the full menu with all of your extra account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where most of your account controls are stored, including security, privacy, and personalization settings. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account interacts with other people, what information is visible, and how tagging works. Now look for Audience, Media, and Tagging and click that option. Inside this menu, you will find the controls for who can interact with your content and how tags are handled on your account. Next, click Photo Tagging. This is the specific setting for allowing or managing photo tags. Once you're on that page, simply toggle on photo tagging. As soon as you switch it on, the setting is enabled and your account will allow photo tagging according to your privacy preferences. That's all you need to do. In just a few steps, you've turned on photo tagging in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.